Hello students, welcome back to your second session of Basic to Advanced Java series, where you and me are going to learn, code and execute Java problems together. So let's begin. Our problem of the day is to check whether a string is palindrome or not. Okay, so students, do you know about what a palindrome is? I'll tell you. A palindrome is any sentence or any verse or any number that reads the same in forward as it does in backwards. For example, let us take a number 10111011. Is it palindrome? Yes, it is. A spelling mistake. Yes, it is. Let us take another example, another string, which is the most important person in our lives. Mom. Is it palindrome? Yes, it is. Let us take another example. The most important person of our lives other than mom is Papa. But is it palindrome? No. I'll explain you why. Because Papa in reverse is APAP. But mom in reverse is MOM, and number, and this number in reverse is 11011. You can see it clearly here. 11011. Okay. So students, let us see how to build this logic in Java. Okay. So let us create a public class and let us name our public class as Palindrome. Now let us create an entry point of our program. Public static void main. In the previous lecture, I did a mistake here by not writing the correct spelling of string. Students, you should always rectify your mistakes, okay? So the entry point of our program has been created. Now let us consider a string with a variable str as madam. Okay. Now let us consider another string as reverse. Now in the previous lecture we create a new string builder. Now students, why are we using string builder here? Because string builder is an mutable object. Okay, and the string builder class also has a function called as reverse. Now we are using str variable here because this is the variable we have to reverse. Okay, reverse. But in the previous program we stopped here. Our logic stopped here, but not here. Here we have to store the reversed value in the reversed object. And how to do that? As a string. And how to do that? By using toString method. Okay. Now the most important line of our code is system.out.println. But here we are not printing anything. We have to compare the previous variable to our new variable. And how to do that? We'll be considering str, our previous string. We'll be using equals, and we'll be giving our second variable which we have to compare with. And let us run our code, and voila, see, it's so easy. Now let us consider another example. Let us consider mom, and if we run our code, true. Let us consider an integer 101011. True. Let us change our integer a slight. Okay, false. C. Students, the code has been successfully executed, but our answer is false. Okay, so thank you, students.